Alright guys, we're headed to the track finally, but first we're about halfway there. We're stopping at this little race shop, Clausen Racing. It's in Independence, Louisiana. This place has been around for quite some time. Fortunately, it's on the way to the track. I have misplaced my tire pressure gauge, so we're going to go in here and get a new one. So this place is pretty much like walking into a Summit Racing catalog, so let's go check it out. You got in my shot.
Too big of a puddle, sorry.
I know, you got in my shot. Please wear your mask if you have one. I don't.
We don't.
Sorry. 30.
I thought there was an 8.
Okay, this is the one we need. This has got that quick release valve on it. So I got these other ones I wanted to try, but I don't think it's going to release as fast.
I think that's...
Those circle track steering wheels up there. Check this out. Nice cutoff switches and switch panels. Alright, about to check out.
Oh yeah. I'll see you later.
Oh yeah.
The hood's up on the S13.
Like Kylie. A beard? Really?
Hey.
What's up, dude? You just look so different in this, like, dressed down, beard, kind of.
I've always had this.
Have you?
Yeah.
Right. Or you just extra noticing his abs now.
Maybe it's all, yeah.
Right? It's
Everything
just,
else,
and he's in the pose, he's got that kind of like the model, like where it's like buy
I'm just trying to prop myself up because I'm tired.
these nipple shirts now. A woman where it's like I just want to dress as I want to
Hold
dress
on.
and not be a piece of
Let me just get these nice smooth shots and he can seduce the internet.
Hold on, let me
Yeah, right.
crank it just for a second.
Okay. Oh, is it, do you want me to put the clutch in? Because I think this is a car we have to have brake on.
Yeah, you can push it to the floor. Alright, got it off.
They're all one piece.
Well, the fenders are Carl proof.
And then have a third extra axle and hardware and everything. So if I have a whole axle to go halfway to California, I got everything right there to fix it.
Oh, you're thinking ahead, man.
So
Yeah.
got that,
Yeah.
that receiver I had put in up there. It's just like the receiver on the back of a truck. I got it.
Oh, that's cool.
It's in the truck, but I got one of those Harbor Freight winches with the remote on it. Take my plane.
So Preston, did you notice he brought two cars? That Corolla and this one he brought? Yeah, Jeff. The little white Corolla over there?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah. He brought two cars. We came Sunday, dropped one off.
19 cars.
He's got a lot. Dude.
Hey, not bad. There you go.
Really hot.
Some people aren't a suit guy, man, but you look good. Oh, yeah. Actually, I look better off.
Legit.
No, yeah.
First time I'm wearing a race.
There you go.
Like a real race car driver.
You don't even have to tailor it, right? That's perfect.
It's kind of like between.
So it's really high. You don't have to brag, alright?
Where's his short? Where's his short?
No, that's good. There you go.
I'm sweating my balls off.
Yeah, that would have been you this weekend, so that's why we got the suit in time. Alright.
Yeah, before we came here, we stopped so I can get some white t-shirts for this weekend.
All right.
Because all I own is black. I'm like, I ain't gonna do so well this weekend, so I was like, I need to get some white shirts.
Horrible.
I'm already like just in this, yeah.
You have to remind him if some shit goes wrong with the car, he's got to make sure to take his suit off before he starts wrenching.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know how many people have like dirty knees and
Because they're like the mechanic and the driver in a lot of ways.
start working on the car like your suit.
Yeah.
I think he said one.
You guys have a 12 wrench
Yeah, you should.
socket?
Yeah. It should all be works.
For the one.
What are you trying to feel like a spark?
Just the pulse.
If I die, this is on video. Hearing anything? Does he need a jump? Oh.
Language.
I mean, heck. I didn't say that word.
I try to avoid F-bombs in the video.
You might want to bleep that out. I'm a good Catholic man, I promise.
That's right. Well, watch, you got a wasp like crawling at you.
Die, wasp, die. Please, PETA, don't get on us.
It's just a solenoid. It's just stuck.
On the injector?
Yeah, inside the injector.
Okay, so we definitely have to replace it.
Yeah, what I'm saying is the injector is a solenoid.
Right.
And it just gets power and ground. The ground is a pulse from the ECU. I'm just giving it power and ground straight to the battery. It still gets a full 12-volt signal when the key's hot from the battery anyway.
Okay.
The whatever 5-volt trigger would be the ground. In this case, adding ground is not going to overpower it. It's just going to complete the circuit.
But it's not doing anything.
No, it's not clicking at all.
So the solenoid's dead.
Well, it just is stuck. It's
Okay.
stuck.
So we still have to replace it.
Probably from crappy fuel. No, maybe not.
Oh, well, we found one in stock, so.
Calm down. I haven't given up yet.
Okay.
Wait, so what's doing?
It's actually not I sprayed them a couple times. It's not a wash and won't kill it.
It's a murder hornet. So, Jeff?
Like, it'd be so easy too, like just boom, like right there with a little, and it's whoop, down it go.
I'm gonna pull up so I can put the car in that parking spot there, I guess. Yeah.
Or do you want to put it in this one?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Really supposed to be like. Oh, you could have done it. It would have been so
That fender's starting to grow on me. That one colored fender. I told him it looks like a busted cheek, like it got punched like in the face.
right,
And it's swollen.
Right, it's got that box through
Yeah.
the cauliflower here.
Yeah.
Did the Honda mod. That little nub stops it. I just push it past it.
But what if a gust of wind comes?
Well, if it's windy, you use the prop rod.
Okay. Like, yeah, for
So-
Willow, I'd be like,
That was really windy.
It's
because
bone.
no, and
It's
it'll be like dead, and then you'll walk away. That's
Gust
why,
of
like,
wind.
all tents.
And got the shit. Well, these wasps keep coming back after us. I went ahead and got the other one out while y'all were gone.
You tried fixing it on your own while I was gone?
Well, actually, used a screwdriver like a stethoscope and listened to it, and the solenoid was working. It's just clogged. So probably from shitty fuel. Probably from bad fuel.
Over time.
Yeah. Let's see. Get a little lube. Just want to wet that O-ring.
Both O-rings, huh? There's a lower one too, looks like.
Yeah, well, that's what I was getting enough on there. is fixed.
Okay. So what's going on with the Miata?
The differential's blown up.
Oh, like inside the pumpkin?
Yeah, I was gonna ask your opinion. When we were here Sunday, when we walked in, you remember all the other cars were completely spotless. That one had a flat tire and it had termite wings all over, but the other ones had no termite. All right guys, so you saw us working on the Miata earlier. We first thought it was the master cylinder, slave cylinder. So we went ahead and got a replacement one, changed it out, put it back in gear, cranked it up, and apparently the differential, I'll get up here and crank it up for you, with the differential, oh that's not good. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Well, sometimes there's like a little roll, like
Anyway, so apparently somehow mysteriously we put the car up after the last classes and everything was fine, but the differential is completely blown up, it seems like, because the drive shaft spins and it's not moving the wheels at all. So I'll crank that up and put a little insert here real quick. As you can see, drive shaft is spinning. Got nothing coming from the axles or the rear wheels. So we're going to cut it off. So it's kind of a mystery.
So you want to get into drifting, huh?
Yes, please.
Get ready to do a lot of Googling.
I got it.
It's okay, keep working.
I didn't need a pinky. It's cool.
Yeah, just feel a lot of chunks in there, so. I'll take this up. Yeah, you're good.
Callie's phone's still here.
Uh-oh.
Your phone's still here.
Yeah, because that's probably the same amount of.
That's not good.
It's a pinion, so I don't know if we're supposed to adjust the backlash on these bad boys. You think it's a backlash thing?
No, not on this one. It's set to the case like a Nissan. It's got those shims.
That's how things work.
I think it's because it got welded in the case. I think it's because it got welded in the case and it got slag in it.
Just walled it up.
What the hell?
It's live, rolling.
I know, tell me what you want to tell me.
It's like, and I also made one other mistake. I made a mistake today. I let Carl order the Domino's, and I'm gonna look at all the Domino's, Carl. Okay, you don't do that? Okay.
You get pan over something.
Okay. Okay.
All right, guys. So we left the track. We're back at Carl's, fixing to get some rest. We found out the ring gear, or the pinion rather, is roasted in the Miata. So in the morning, we're gonna get right on it. Hopefully, we'll have another diff to put in it, and we're gonna change it out. Got 2 days ahead of us working with Drift 101, followed by a 3-day drift event. So what else did I say? I'm retarded.
That's it.
That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you next time.
Oof.
Oof, man.